already being in here and being able to see this, I already feel so much more creative. It's inspiring to look around and see all this color and shape and these big, bold patterns. I'm like, what else can we wallpaper? Hey everybody, it's Karin here. If you're new to the channel, well, I'm an interior designer in Vancouver and I've been growing my company House of Bohn along with my amazing team for over 10 years. What's great about Bohnafide is that you get to see the design and construction process behind my personal design projects. These are not for clients, they're my own projects. In this case, we've been busting at the seams, so I just signed a new office lease and we're in the midst of designing our new studio space. We have to be ready to move in 6 short weeks, so catch all the action in this new series of Bohnafide, the Office Edition. Welcome to another episode of Bohnafide. It's early, it's a beautiful fall day, although it's very, very chilly today, so the weather is definitely turning. And before I get to the office to do and work on some exciting stuff, this is a Bohnafide episode, so you guys are gonna get a big, big office update today. I'm stopping by one of our projects to do a quick site visit, so come with me. And Oscar's coming too. Hi. Oh, I see. Yeah. I wanted to stop by today because I know we need to get you the answer right away. So that's why I want to come by this morning. Yeah. How high are those?
Right now they're at 10 feet.
And how high is the sprinkler?
They're at like 118.
Right. So we're definitely going to be moving those down.
Yes.
And that's what we need to decide. Is this going to be 8 or 9?
Right.
And then the proportions accordingly.
I held it at 8, 8.5.
Yeah. Yeah. I saw those. It's kind of hard to tell though when you're not in the space.
Yeah.
I was like, they look the same. Swiping back and forth. Cool. Sounds good. Yeah, okay. Thank you. We are back at the office. You can see that there's people working on our fridge. We've got people coming in with furniture, which is really exciting. If you guys watched the last Bohnafide episode, you would have seen a number of our furniture selections for the office. So a bunch of those pieces are arriving today. Not everything, but a lot of the furniture from Article. Let's go through scope. The big things that came up for me yesterday in regards to scope that we just want to make sure we've captured is, well, the 2 phases obviously, and then consultant coordination. Just getting back from lunch, back at the office, and the new wall cactus mural is going up. What's happening right now is that all the panels are getting sorted and organized because this is basically one big scene. As with everything, the planning takes a little bit more time, but the more time you take to plan, the better the execution. The way the wallpaper works is that it is custom printed to your size of room with only a 2-inch allowance on either side. So there's very, very little room for error. It's not like you can order a whole extra roll or anything like that. So it's really designed to be customized and very specific to your space, which is actually amazing because you don't have to worry about scale or size of the print, especially when you're dealing with really tall ceilings or really short ceilings or anything like that. New Wall completely takes care of all of that for you. Because once they start getting the glue on there, there's not a lot of time. You got to get the glue on and then you got to get it up on the wall. And that part actually happens really quickly. It's so cool.
I know, I'm obsessed with it. I love it.
It's gonna look so good when it's done. It is after 9 p.m. It's very late. I am tired. I just finished up a client dinner, a site visit, and then a client dinner, and I am back at the office. Oscar gets leftover Chinese food, so he's very, very happy about that. It was worth the wait, wasn't it, buddy? Yum, yum, yum. And I'm back because wallpaper is still happening here at the office. So I can see from where I'm standing in the corner of my eye that the cactus wallpaper looks freaking amazing. It looks so good. Look at this scene. This is so crazy. There's cactus, there's agave plants, more cactus, palm trees. There's this whole desert scene happening and there's road runners in here. It looks like the sun is setting or rising, I'm not really sure. It looks like it's been painted on stone, so there's a really cool texture that's happening in the background. It's just got a really vibe in this room. Oscar, we're trying to shoot a video here. Someone has energy now that he ate. Lie down. Wait. It feels warm. There's a lot of visual interest. There's lots to look at. The color tones are really unique. It feels really contained and intimate. But we've got these big glass doors and you can see outside. You still feel very connected to the rest of the space. It's got a very, very cool vibe in this room. Already being in here and being able to see this, I already feel so much more creative. It's inspiring to look around and see all this color and shape and these big, bold patterns. It's really, really, really cool. I feel like I can't say enough about it because I'm so excited about this. But I'm in love. I'm like, what else can we wallpaper? My pink swan wallpaper is also going up in my office. How cool does this look? Like, I can't even believe it is blowing my mind right now. I'm like, it is so out of this world that when I show up to work tomorrow morning, we have the boardroom wallpapered and we have my room wallpapered in this beautiful new wall wallpaper. When you're here in the work area, which is where we spend the majority of our time, you get a direct sight line to these amazing, bold wallpaper rooms because of the glass doors. And what's really cool is that these two murals are completely different from one another. It makes the office feel so unique. It gives so much character to the office. And I just haven't seen anything like this in anybody's office before. It's awesome. We really appreciate you doing this. I can't wait to film content from here. To give you guys an update on our furniture delivery that's arrived. As I mentioned, this is only the partial delivery for all of the article furniture. I knew that I would be swapping some of the pieces out. I knew that I would potentially send some of the pieces back, and that this is going to be an opportunity to try the pieces in situ. I also ordered these mustard club chairs for this entryway. I have to say, I love this chair. I love the mustard velvet. I love the mid-century lines. I love the walnut base on this chair. I think this is a really great chair. The mustard is so good. The only thing that I'm not 100% sure about is the size and the depth of this chair. It does feel like it's encroaching in the space a little bit, and it does feel just ever so slightly too big for this entry area. I bought a really big plant, like a big palm. Imagine like a big plant right here. But the plant is actually too big. I don't think we can fit the plant. I feel like, is it the scale? Is it the size that just feels massive? They're deep. We were gonna line them up, which we could try. So that was the plan. It feels a little,
Very like waiting room.
yeah, totally. It's like,
Come.
please wait for your 2 o'clock appointment. Have a seat and fill out this form while you wait.
Having said that, I do like the idea of being like, lunchtime, and just like come in and like hang out and have this other space maybe for us to use in the lounge.
Well, I think that was what I was first thinking when this was gonna be a couch. And then there's that arched mirror that I thought would look really cute here. Just throwing this out there as another option. What could look really cute here too in the entry is a mirror with just a console table in front of it, and like House of Bohn on this side, and that there's no furniture here. It's great that Article has their 30-day guarantee, so that if you don't like anything or you want to exchange something like I'm going to do clearly, you can use that 30-day window in order to do that. So I'm gonna leave this furniture here in the front area for the time being and sort of mull over this for the next couple days to figure out how I want to handle this front area. The other chair that arrived from Article is the Savis Miss dining chair, and this is in the light gray color. I agree. I love that I love that the seat is fabric. I love that the arms are fabric. It is a comfortable chair. It's nice and light. It's easy to move. I like that there's the wood element. My first reaction to these chairs is that they're a little like, not that strong against the wallpaper, which I know there's a lot of pieces that still have to come together. Like we still need a light fixture, the table still has to come, we're gonna do carpet.
It's hard to say until everything's in here.
It's hard to say, I know. These 2 club chairs came in. These are in the rose pink. It's a lot of pink. It's actually really comfortable.
It's a cute chair. It's big. I like it.
Yeah, try it. It's really comfortable.
Ooh.
Right?
Yeah, you can totally, it's the perfect seat depth to lean back comfortably with.
Yeah. Does someone want to help me move this to my office? I just want to see. It would go like here.
So pink.
You don't think it's too much pink? You like it? It is pretty cool. I do like pink. And I'm really happy that I ordered 2 because as it turns out, I don't think we could fit 2 in here. I think it's gotta be 1. One is more than enough in the corner of my office. I hesitated ordering this color because I thought that the pink would match too much, and I felt like that room might be just way too pink. But now that these chairs are here, I actually love this chair with the swan wallpaper. I am so excited to wake up tomorrow morning and to come to work because I can't wait to work in this space with this awesome wallpaper. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode of Bohnafide. If you liked today's video, make sure you hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, because as you can see, if you're into interior design, there's tons happening on this channel and you want to know when a video comes out. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. And question for you guys, which one of the new wall wallpapers do you like the best? Do you like the cactus mural or do you like the pink swans? Leave a comment below.